Let's continue with the next part of MySQL, right? The next one is distinct. It is used to remove duplicate values from results, okay? You can see the name column has the same name, right? Which is Isuri. See, first one Isuri, fifth one Isuri, right? That is duplicated, right? But we can solve it with distinct keyword, right? Now, I want to show all unique names in the employee table. How can we? Select, then put the distinct keyword and name from student, right? See, it removes repeat, right? It removes duplicate values, right? See, normally distinct is used with select, right? It is very common in reports, analytics, etc., right? The next one is count function, right? We use count to count rows, right? Now I want to count how many rows there are in the name column. How can we? We should use count, right? Okay. Select count all from student where name is equal to Isuri, right? Now enter 2, right? We have 2 rows Isuri, right? Okay, that's why it gives 2. Okay, next one is group by. Group by is used when counting per category, right? Now I want to show each name and the number of students who have that names, right? How can we do? Let's see. Select name count all from student group by name, right? Okay, enter. Wait, try again. Select name, put the comma, right? And count all from student group by name, right? Okay. See, this one groups students by name and counts students inside each group, right? Group by is the engine of the query. It instructs the database to connect all rows with the identical name into a single bucket or group, right? Without group by, count would just give you total number of students in the whole table, right? With group by, count gives you the total per name, right? The next one is having. Having is used to filter after group by, right? We use having to filter groups. Let's see, right? Now I want to find all the names in the student table that appear more than once, right? Let's combine group by with having, right? Having count all greater than 1, right? Why? I already missed comma, right? Sorry. Just copy this one, right? Paste it. Oh shit. Paste. Oh, why? Just select this, right? Copy, paste. Now you should give having, right? Having count all greater than 1, right? Enter. Now you can see we have 2 easily, right? Let's look at those counts and throws away any group that only has 1 person. That's why we can see only this in this case, right? The next one is Alias, right? It is used to rename columns for cleaner output, right? Now I want to show a list of student names, but change the column heading to student name. Also show the count of each name as total occurrences, right? And only include names that appear more than once, right? Let's try it. Select name as student name, right? And comma count all as total occurrences, right? From student group by name and having total occurrences more than 1. Check spellings, right? OCCURANCES, right? For the same column. See? Okay. Now you can see that the columns names have changed. See? Name is student name. Count give as total occurrences, right? The next one is update, right? The student named Alex, ID is equal to, has officially changed his name to Bob. How can we do this? Let's see. Try it. We can do this. Update student set name equal to Bob, right? And give the condition where id is equal to student id. Yeah, student id should be equal to student should equal to 2, right? Let's see. Query is okay, right? Refresh it and view our table. See, it is already changed Alex to Bob, right? Remember, if you forget where, all rows get updated, right? Try it yourself, right? Next one is delete query. Now I want to delete the student whose age is 25, right? How can we do it? Delete from student where student age is 25, age is equal to 25, right? Query is okay. Refresh and view. 25. Oh, why? It should be 25 now. Sorry. Delete from student where age is equal to 25, right? Now enter query is okay. Refresh it. Now you can see it is deleted, right? Okay. If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like, comment and share with your friends. Bye bye.